So what I've got here is a copy of a crime pack. And crime packs utilities that are very, very popular amongst the bad guys. Cyber criminals have developed this illicit economy where they're selling each other products, tools, and services. And these crime packs enable them to generate new malware, infect websites, build business intelligence, and manage their overall malicious campaign. Some of them are available as local software like this one, where I've got a nice installation script. Others are available as cloud services, where the bad guys can go on, type in their credit card details, well, not their credit card details, obviously some they've stolen, and get access to these tools. So we run this installation of IcePack and log in with the default username and password. We see our dashboard here showing us the number of infected computers and various details of our environment. Now this is a clever little utility. If we change over to our poor vulnerable Windows machine here, we can run access to the crime pack. And what you'll see is the browser crashes and file.exe. That's a vulnerability going on in the background, a piece of exploit code installing some malware. If we switch back to our crime pack utility, we can now see that we've got one infected result. We can see that someone's accessed it directly, and we can also see that I'm running a horrible version of Internet Explorer 6. We get nice reporting interfaces here, so we can see the breakdown of all the different campaigns that have worked. And it comes pre-built with utilities designed to generate nasty scripts to infect sites. But one of the key aspects to recognize here is how smart the bad guys are now getting at trying to prevent forensics analysts in business and also the security vendors from tracking them down. Notice that if I try and access this campaign again for a second time, I'm automatically redirected to a URL that doesn't exist. The bad guys have black-holed me so that I can no longer get access to new copies of the malware. So that means it's really hard for me to go back and get information about their malicious campaign. Just like the legitimate security community has blacklists for the bad guys now have blacklists for the good guys to try and prevent them accessing their information. The techniques that we were using against them in 2011 and 2012, they're using back against us.